Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Wow. And things are looking pretty good, guys. Even though we're seeing, the markets go down just slightly, guys, I wouldn't worry. We're seeing that the pre-markets right now in the U.S. are looking very, very good. We're seeing a lot of green, guys. So I think that we're going to see, once the U.S. markets open, we're going to see absolutely crypto starting to take off, guys. We're seeing also the Doge social sentiment is increasing, guys. So this is a very good news. And we're going to talk about some of the huge catalysts for Doge that I think are going to be really important in 2022 and that are going to see Doge go to the moon and beyond, guys. So, and also too, we're going to look at some on-chain matrix, guys, on-chain data that shows that we're going to see Bitcoin going up very soon, guys. So guys, just buckle up. I think that we're going to have a huge Christmas pumpity pump coming soon, guys. So let's go down the rabbit hole, guys. Let's get it, guys. Don't forget to go down there, smash those likes, guys, and it's a great time to be alive. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just the OG in the house expressing his opinion. So let's jump into it, guys. Don't forget to go down there right now, smash those likes, double thumbs up, smash those likes. Don't forget to comment, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, YB, guys, and comment, guys. Comment. Do you guys think that the Dogecoin is going to go to $1 to $2 and $3 in 2022? Hit me up with a comment, guys. I want to see what you have to say. And guys, go back and watch all the other previous videos. You're going to want it. I'm going to want it. Let's get it, guys. Woo! Dogecoin to the moon, guys. So we're still seeing right now the fear and greed index is at 34. It was at 45 yesterday, but it's come down a little bit because we saw that the little itty bitty in the house, guys. We saw that biddy went down a little bit yesterday. It was, as high as $49,000 in the house yesterday, but it's come down. We're still looking pretty healthy, though. We still got a green candle on the weekly, guys, and we got 3 days and 14 hours, in this week to go. And I still think we're going to close this week in a green candle, and that's what we need, guys. We absolutely need Bitcoin to close in a green area, guys. We're still seeing we're still below the 21-day EMA, guys. So Bitcoin is looking okay, guys. It's looking okay. And if we look at the itty bitty on the 1 hour chart, we can see right now that itty bitty on the 1 hour chart, we've just gone to the, this is the Ichimoku cloud area, and right now we're in the green zone. So this is pretty positive on the 1 hour. If we take a look at Bitcoin on the 4 hour right now, let me just clean up this chart for you a little bit. Clean it up, guys. We can still see that Bitcoin is just outside of this Ichimoku cloud area, and we got some overhead resistance at 49,200, guys. So let's take a look at that on the daily and see how we're faring on that. And we can clean up that chart. So we can see on the daily right now that Bitcoin is still looking pretty good, guys, pretty bullish. And we're still broken out of this huge descending wedge that has been going on for a while now. And this is bullish news in the house. We can see that the MACD is still painting green, painting positive. So this is also good news, guys. So I wouldn't worry about it. We're definitely going to have a breakout soon for Bitcoin, guys. And don't forget, we've got the CME futures that are expiring on Friday. And this is a big one, guys, because this is going to be the end of the year. CME futures are going to expire on Friday, and it looks like we could have a huge bazooka short squeeze in the house, guys. So don't worry about Bitcoin. It's going to go up, guys. Absolutely going to go up. And what makes me think that is if we look at the total, long-term holder Nupal right now, the Nupal in the house, is the Bitcoin bottom in? Yes, I think it is. And we can see long-term holder Nupal serves as an indicator to assess the behavior of long-term investors. It appears we have found support at that level a couple of major times on pullbacks in 2021. So we saw when we had the pullbacks in July and August, we pulled back to this level. We also saw that we pulled back to this level in September, October. Remember, that was pretty Debbie Downer, pretty hellish out there when we thought that was going down. And then we're seeing it again, guys. So we're seeing that the Nupal right now is at the same level as it was when we had these two previous pullbacks. So this is indicative, absolutely indicative, that Bitcoin has hit the bottom and we're going to be going up, guys. And we're not too bad, guys. We're at $48,000 and change, and that is the bottom, guys. And we're going to be going up, guys. So the Santa rally is not over. It's still confirmed. We're going to go up to the moon, guys. And don't forget, guys, what do you think? You think this Nupal indicator is a good indicative indicator where we have been before, that this is indicating the bottom? Smash up a comment, guys. What do you think? This is a good indicator or it's not? Let me know how you think, guys. I'd love to get your opinion in there. Don't forget to comment, guys. It's always appreciated. And we're seeing that the top 10 mentioned coins on Twitter right now, we're looking at the Shiba Inu, the Shiba Weeby, and we're going to jump into the Shiba Inu price right now pretty soon, guys. And this is pretty good that Shiba Inu is the number one talked about tweeted coin on Twitter right now, followed by Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum. And we're also going to talk about the NVL as well soon, and you're going to see something very interesting for the NVL. We're going to talk about that, and that's on the DeFi Llama, guys. We're going to talk about that. So Ethereum is there. Doge is number 4, guys. So Doge is also picking up. We're going to talk about Doge social sentiment, Doge price, and some technicals in a second. So keep watching, guys. Smash the like. Don't forget to give a super chat if you're absolutely loving the OG. Show some love, guys. Super chat is appreciated. We got Solana, we got XRP, Cardano, Polymatic, and Phantom. Phantom is taking off right now, and I just checked on Phantom, and it's going up. So that's pretty good, guys. So we're seeing here right now that Doge is telling Billy Marcus, because Billy Marcus and the whole team were talking about Web3, and Billy Marcus, he loves Web3, he loves Ethereum, he loves the whole thing. So Doge is saying to Billy Marcus and Jack and 6 others, that's why I'm pro Doge. So he's still loving the Doge, but Elon, he's not a big fan of Web3 in the house, guys. So that's kind of cool, kind of interesting. I like Web3. I mean, I have my own domain, ETH domain as well, and it just makes it a lot easier for naming and receiving Ethereum and the other stuff that we can see that Web3 is going to be a very much decentralized solution for the web. I like it. Elon doesn't like it, but he's a big Doge supporter. We did have this Doge tweet, but it didn't have much impact on the price. We're going to jump into that in a second. Some other stuff that we're seeing is that the number of non-zero addresses just reached an all-time high. So that's very good, because often, before we had a lot of Bitcoin addresses had 0 Bitcoin, but we're seeing that it just reached the non-zero addresses just reached an all-time high. So this is pretty bullish, and this is also indicative that we're seeing the amount of Bitcoin on Ethereum on exchanges getting lower and lower and lower, guys. So this is good news, great news in the house, guys. So some other stuff is, yes, it's sad. Bitcoin is probably not going to hit 100K. It's not going to hit 100K. Absolutely, it's not going to do it, guys. I'll tell you that right now. This is the year. But everyone, you need to quit whining, because 2020 was the most bullish year ever. And we saw that. Of course it was, because we saw Bitcoin hit an all-time high. We hit a huge top, guys, in the house. And, Bitcoin hit almost, over 64K. So this is pretty bullish, guys. And I believe that in terms of adoption rate, we're seeing more and more institutions aping into Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto like never before. And this has been a huge groundbreaking year for institutional adoption. Guys, we got ETFs, guys. We absolutely have ETFs out there. We got tons of ETFs. We don't have our spot ETF yet, but we're going to get one, guys. We're definitely going to get one. So, guys, stop whining. This has been a great year for crypto. And if you had dollar cost average and DCA, you should not have anything to worry about. I mean, I'm doing pretty good. My portfolio is still looking pretty good, guys. My Ethereum's up 400%. I'm not trying to pat myself on the back or anything, but my Ethereum and my Solana is up 400%. So I'm doing just peachy keen. I took some profits. And remember, one of the most important things you have to do as a crypto investor, not a trader, because remember, never leverage long, never leverage trade, never leverage trade. You're going to get wrecked out there, guys. What do you guys think? You think leverage trading is good or bad? Smash the likes, comment, guys. I want to know, do you think leverage trading is good? I don't do it. When I first started out in crypto, I thought leverage trading was a quick way to make a buck. I didn't do that. I did it in the beginning. I got wrecked, guys. I lost my shirt a ton of times, and I learned that if you want to make profit in this business, the only way you can do it is diamond hands, dollar cost average, and buy the dippy dips, guys. And that's how you do it, and wait for life-changing wealth. And of course, never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. And you got to be patient, guys. So, I know that some of you have your coins underwater right now. I know it. I have a couple crypto projects right now, a couple coins in the house that are underwater. What am I going to do? I'm going to wait. If I have to wait to 2025, what am I going to do? I'm going to wait. That's how you do it, guys. Wait, and wait for life-changing wealth, guys. And make sure you absolutely need to learn to take the profits, because a lot of you are scared to take the profits. You got to take the profits, guys. You got to take the profits, okay? So that's really cool. So stop whining, guys. 2021 been fantastic, guys. So this is from Crypto Caesar in the house, guys. And we're seeing the Bitcoin snapshot in one day. The structure remains intact. Nothing is broken, quite the contrary. Currently backtesting the TL, guys. I would not be surprised if an attack on a 52.6 didn't come soon. And I believe that, guys. If you look at the TL right now, you can see that right now we can see that we formed this, descending triangle here. We're breaking out. We form this descending triangle here as we hit the bottom, and this correlates with the nupple, guys. We talked about the nupple in the house right here. And let me get the nupple, and you can see that this also correlates with the nupple, guys. So you can see that these areas was where we had the lows, the nupple was the low, and also the TL, right? So you can see here we had this triangle here. We broke out. We had this descending triangle. We're breaking out. And I believe that we're definitely going to be going up to 52K very soon, guys. This is absolutely the structure that we're going to hit. We're going to see 52K, no problem. And then from there, we have this whole resistance, as I told you, on Bitcoin at the 49.2 level. We're going to get there. We're going to break out. Things are going to be looking good. So let's take a look at this. I bet you guys didn't know this. This is cool news in the house, guys. And we can see here, if we look at the total value locked in all chains, you can see that the total value, this is like DeFi and other stuff, is that Ethereum is number one. This is the market cap. Look at Terra Luna. Terra Luna has 18.97 billion locked in value on all their chains. And this is a number 2 project. And this is even above BNB, which is only 16.6. So you can see here, even above Solana. That's why I keep telling you that Terra Luna is going to moon, guys, because look at the TVL, guys. It's even better than Solana. It's even better than Polygon. It's even better than Phantom, guys. So you guys have to keep an eye on Terra Luna. Terra Luna is going to make us some moves. Terra Luna is going to make us some moves. Guys, what do you think? Isn't that interesting that we see that the total TVL for Terra Luna is number 2 at 18.9 billion. It's beating out BNB. It's beating out Avalanche. It's beating out Solana and all the layer 1s and layer 2s. And it's even beating out Polymatic and Phantom, guys. So that is amazing in the house, guys. So keep an eye on Terra Luna. It's definitely going to go to the Mars, guys, and beyond. So let's take a look at the Doge Woja right now in the house, guys. So my Doge Woja right now it's at 17.62, and it looks like it's challenging the 18-cent level, guys. And I believe that we're going to break out the 18 cents. If the markets in the U.S. can absolutely turn bullish, guys, and I think they're going to turn bullish, we're going to see that Doge Woja is going to break past the 18 cent, and then we're going to start trading this territory. So it's a very good news, guys. We're also seeing that right now, these are some catalysts. I did talk about it earlier today, but these are some huge catalysts that we can expect for 2022 that's going to send the Doge Woja to the moon, guys. And I know people say, the moon. I believe it, guys. I believe it. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Don't forget to comment. Do you think Dogecoin is going to go over $1 in 2022? What do you guys think? Leave a comment, guys. So what do we got to look forward to in 2022? We got token burn, guys. We got Tesla acceptance. We got Robinhood wallets. And remember, we're not going to get Tesla acceptance unless we get the Robinhood wallets. We've got the Dogecoin moon mission, guys. The Dogecoin moon mission is absolutely going to the moon. And we're not talking about price. It's going to the moon, literally going to the moon, guys. We got altcoin season coming in, guys. We got AMC acceptance. We got the Doge, Ethereum bridge. We got smart contracts and NFTs. We already have smart contracts. You can already create NFTs on the Doge blockchain. We saw that happen. Go past and watch my other videos, guys. It's amazing, guys. So if we look at the social sentiment right now for Dogecoin, we can see that in December, the social sentiment, which is the green, has been doing pretty good, guys. It's ramping on up, and this is looking very, very good. And we're also seeing that the social sentiment right now, the hourly social sentiment for Doge has also been looking pretty good as well, guys. So this is very good. And you're seeing that more and more people are getting back into the Doge, getting more interested in the Doge. And, we had this Doge bonk. And, the Doge bonk was bonkers because they claimed that they were absolutely the first coin to be, the first coin that went to outer space. That was far from the truth, guys.28 far from the truth. It was not true because we saw that the Dogecoin went to outer space on June 2021, guys. So Doge bonk, bonk, bonk. Devs, get your information right. Stop pulling the wool over our eyes, guys. And if you look at the Doge Woji right now on the 4-hour chart, you can see that Doge has created this whole pattern here, and we're going to break the upside, guys. We're absolutely going to break the upside. You can see here it goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, and it looks like we're forming the bottom here. We've gone to the bottom, and we're going to be moving up, guys. Moving on up. So I'm pretty bullish about the Doge. You should be too, guys. So let's take a look at some quickie news in the house, and then we're going to the coins, guys. It's going to be a great time to be alive. So right now, crypto exchanges aim for a home run as Super Bowl. So you're going to see that the Crypto.com FTX scored spaces for their brand at the biggest sports event of next year. So you're going to see a lot of advertising for crypto at the Super Bowl, and I believe this is going to be also one of the catalysts. It's going to also pumpity pump crypto when the Super Bowl comes out. So you're seeing that crypto advertising is becoming mainstream, guys, mainstream. So this is very bullish in the house, guys. Some other stuff is Paraguay moves a step closer to regulating digital currency, and they've had this bill going back and forth for the last 6 months. It's now been passed, and now they're recognizing cryptocurrency as an asset class, and they're going to have more regulation. So this is bullish, guys. This is absolutely bullish in the house, guys. So let's take a look at Ethereum. Let's take a look at Ethereum in the house right now. So you can see Ethereum right now. Let me just get the chart cleaned up for you. So Ethereum right now is trading at 3,921, and it's going down a little bit. It's giving up a little bit. It got rejected. It went as high on the 4 hour. It went as high as like 465, 469. It got rejected, but it's going to come back up, guys. I believe that we're going to see Ethereum absolutely start to motor soon. And once Bitcoin starts to make a move and the U.S. markets open, we're going to see Ethereum start to go up, guys. So this is good news in the house. Let's take a look at Matic, guys. Matic is going cuckoo. Matic is going crazy right now. It's up at it's $2.59, and it's just continuing going on. It's almost going parabolic right now. So guys, be careful. Do not FOMO into Matic right now. I bought my Matic at $1 way back when, guys. So don't FOMO in now. Be careful, because we're going to see there's probably going to be a bit of a correction, and we could probably see Matic coming down to $2.20 very soon. So don't FOMO in, guys. Be careful out there. It's a jungle out there, crypto jungle. So here we go with Solana. I'm a little bit disappointed about Solana right now. Solana has broken down from my support line, and we could see, and I thought that Solana was going to continue up to the 202 level. It's broken down a little bit. It's at 178, but I'm still pretty bullish about it, and we still got our support around 170. Where do I see Matic going? I still think that we can reach about $250. Hopefully, pretty close to the first week in January. I think we're going to see a pumpity pump, guys. So let's take a look at total market cap. So the total market cap right now is 2.32 trillion in the house, guys. It's looking very good, and we're seeing that the volume start to pick up right now at 71.92, and we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is coming down a little bit, but so it needs to come down more. Let's take a look at the coins right now. So we're seeing, let me give this a minty refresh. So now right now we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 48,287 in the house. 48,288 in the house, down 1.63%. We're seeing that Ethereum right now is down 2.49%. It's at 39.18, guys. And I think all these numbers will reverse once the U.S. markets open. It's going to get better, guys. And we're seeing BNB is at 528 right now, and it's down 1.26%. And we're seeing that Solana is down 3.25, guys, and it's going to turn around, guys. It's at 178. We're seeing ADA now is at 134, and it's at 1.68. So that's pretty good. ADA is coming back. I'm still a buyer at $1. We're seeing Luna down 10.34%. People are taking some profits, and that's at 85.92, guys. And it's about 11% off its all-time highs. We're seeing Avalanche is also down 3.53%, and that's at $118 in the house. We're seeing DOT is up today as well as 27.09, and that's at up 3%. We're seeing the Doge up 2%, and that's pretty good considering that the total markets are down right now, and that's at 17.5. We're seeing also the Shibi Weeby is up as well, and it's at 36, guys, exactly as I predicted. I told you we're going to get there, and it's up 6.18%, guys. So that's great news in the house, guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go back and follow my Twitter. Follow. We got 3,510 follows, guys. Join the cool club, guys. Do it. And you know you want it, guys. Please go and do it right now. And also, guys and gals, do not forget to Go down there, smash a like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to give a super chat. Don't forget to check out the merch. We've got hats, we've got mugs. Get the mug, to love the mug. And don't forget to check out the backpack, and pick up your merch, guys. And don't forget to go and follow the Wifey's channel, guys. Love it over there. And I just want to say God bless you all. I'll see you in the next one, guys. It's a great time to be alive. Absolutely a great time to be alive. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Woo!